Hello, Colorado. I'm Hope Scheppelman, the only America First Republican candidate running for Colorado's 3rd Congressional District. Owning a home, raising a family, building a future. That's the American dream. But for too many young Coloradans, it's slipping away. Today's college graduates are burdened under $50,000 to $150,000 plus in debt, paying for degrees shaped by woke ideology instead of real-world skills. Then, when they try to buy a home, they are faced with skyrocketing costs, made worse by bills like the Gunnison Outdoors Resource Protection Act, a federal land grab that could lock up nearly 1 million acres and drive up lumber prices even higher. Crushing debt, sky-high interest, soaring prices, an entire generation is being locked out of home ownership, trapping in a cycle of renting instead of building a future. And now, politicians want to cram us into 15-minute cities, where government dictates how we live and work. That's not Colorado. Out here, we believe in freedom, land, and hard work. As your next Congresswoman, I will fight to stop the federal land grabs like the Gunnison Outdoors Resource Protection Act, restore timber harvesting, and lower home costs. Hold colleges accountable and help young Americans finally buy their first home. Our young people don't want handouts. They want a fair shot. Let's restore the American dream for Coloradans' next generation. Join the movement at hopeforcolorado.com. That's hope, F-O-R, Colorado.com. I am Hope Scheppelman, and I am asking for your vote.